everyone, it's Lynn Como, and I want to go over the BOGO sale that starts June 3rd. It's buy one, get one at 50% off on all of our product suites and items within the suite. So if you've been wondering, what suites are we talking about? Well, I thought it was just the ones that were in the 25-26 brand new catalog, but there's way more than that. So I wanted to show you that as of June 3rd, you'll be able to look at these suites that you're seeing right here really quickly and easily. I'm going to just scan through. You can see celebratory sips, florals in bloom. All of the brand new kits that just came to market are buy one, get one at half price. Now we're going to go into some of the previous kits. I'm really surprised to see so many. And if you've had these on your list of possibilities, this would be a good time. So you'll scroll down through the bottom all the way to the marketing. There it is, to market. But I wanted to give you a heads up here. Click Shop On Now. When you click the Shop On Now for each one of the suites, it will bring you to the complete line. I love this page. I love that it has it all here for you. So you have, say, the Impressions a Bloom bundle. Maybe you want this bundle. If I was buying some of the bundles, I want to make sure that I buy bundles together. I love the Suite collection. I have this myself already. But if you wanted to buy things a la carte, you can add them. Another thing you could do is, if I was buying bundles, I would add maybe the bundle to the cart and another bundle and check out. I might want to buy all of my Designer Series paper or the embellishments on a different order to maximize my savings. But just in case you aren't sure, but you're seeing items that you might love to add maybe during the month of this sale, how about using the heart and putting it right here in your favorites? When you do, there's a little heart up at this corner. When you click on it, it will bring you to your favorites, and any of the items that you've put in this list, you'll be able to check it out and see for yourself. Now let's see, what else do we have here? All right, let's go back to one other thing I wanted to show you. Now in the specials, there's a last chance products. These are also going to be available to buy as buy one, get one, 50% off. So now you really want to look at the price points, do the math, and decide what's the best deal for you. That's really what I would do, especially if I'm buying the bigger bundles. I want to make sure I bundle those together in one order and then maybe piecemeal some of the smaller items or lower priced items separately. So you definitely want to check all of this out, and it becomes available June 3rd, and I'll have a link for you to definitely go right to this page for the last chance as well as the product suites. You'll have some happy shopping to do at lincomo.stampinup.net.